So last time, me and the dude spent a couple of days in Malibu, camping and riding around the canyons in the area. And then we drove a few miles away to San Bernardino and explored the mountains in the national forest just outside of San Bernardino. And it was kind of an interesting little short trip because as it was cold around where I'm parked here, I think it was around 4,000 feet. I tried to get up onto the top of the mountain to see some of the mountain lakes up at the top, and didn't realize that it went from mid 50s to right around freezing. I think it was around 8,000 feet, but did not realize how bad a situation it was till I got up to the very top and started seeing some snow on the roads and started seeing what looked like ice even. And you could see some melted snow here, but it's kind of hard to tell the difference in some places. As you can see, I've slowed down quite a bit, but I continued on just a little bit further up the hill until I found the thing that really turned me around. As I mentioned earlier, there was one thing that turned us around when I got to the top. Started seeing people putting snow chains on, and I decided that was probably going to be the end of my trip. But as you can see, that's San Bernardino and LA in the far background. It was still a great day of riding. I went about halfway down the mountain and found some pretty cool trails to ride on, and spent the rest of the afternoon taking some trails, and even ran into some snow and ice on the trails, which was a little bit shocking because I'm thinking I'm halfway down the mountain. There shouldn't be any snow down here, but apparently it snows a good bit in California at elevation, and the snow does not really melt in the shade, and that's kind of where I found a lot of the stuff. But it was really cool riding around in the dirt, and it was a short but interesting adventure in the national forest just outside of San Bernardino. The thing I love about this bus is that my favorite thing about this bus is the way it drives itself. As you can see, I mean, it drives itself. It's really awesome. Just kidding. Join us next time as we go camping in the Coral Canyon, and I wind up breaking my motorcycle in the middle of nowhere, and I have to go spend a few days in San Diego waiting on parts and repairs to my motorcycle. It's still a fun trip.